All right, a real nasty intro. Chicken bones and chicken pieces. We got the dogs. And whoa, everybody knows what's up. Okay, no fighting. Gentle. Go. Nori, gentle. Michaela. Oh, Josh. Michaela. All right, I gotta go hunt for the other dog. Annie. Whoa. This is really hard to film and feed the dogs. Giddy. Jerry. Leo. Okay. Josh, I want you to be gentle. Gentle Josh. Don't bite me. Gentle Josh. Good boy. Okay, hold on. Let's see who snaps. Giddy, gentle. Gentle Giddy. Good boy. My fingers go right in his mouth. All right, here. The nasty bones.
Oh, that's my job.
That's your job. I got the good
I
stuff.
get the nasty bones.
Okay, here we go. Chug it. I can't move anymore.
Pups. Nori Jean. Oh, Josh, sorry. Nori Jean. DB. Jerry go.
There's a lot of bones.
Back again. Tubby.
Hey, somebody else come help with these. There's too many.
Joshua. Oh, there's Mickey too. Alright. Careful. You alright? Good job. Josh, don't move. Stay in your spot.
Josh, stay there. Everyone sit.
Stay in your spot.
Everybody sit. That didn't work. Nobody sat.
Oops.
They're like, we're already getting food.